Technology often aims to improve our day-to-day lives. We use tech for nearly everything. Think how often you use your Alexa assistant. She can give you recipes for your favorite meal, turn your lights on and off, or even start your car. Though this is just the tip of the iceberg. Today, we will look at 8 new gadgets and inventions of 2020 that you can buy online. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and ring the notification bell to keep up to date with our latest videos. Time Kettle M2. There are many different smartphone apps that can help you to understand foreign languages. Some apps will even translate your words in real time so that you can carry full conversations with someone who speaks a different language. Though very few apps or devices offer a seamless experience that is comparable to the Time Kettle M2. This product offers offline usage of real-time speech translation. The device was designed after a breakthrough in data compression was found by the company, making this the first device of its kind that can allow you to openly communicate with someone of a different language without having to connect to the internet or use specialty cell phone apps. The earbuds are super easy to use. Just remove them from their case, place them in your ear, and you are good to go. The package comes with 2 different earbuds, one for you and one for the person you are speaking to. They turn on automatically after removing them from the charging case so that they are ready to use whenever you may need them. These earbuds launched on Indiegogo several years ago but are not expected to ship until September of 2020. They have a suspected retail value of $120, but are currently on sale for just $69 if you act quickly. Hundreds of these units have already been sold and only a few hundred remain. So, act quickly if you are serious about purchasing one of these. 7. Parrot Bebop 2. Parrot Bebop 2 is a brand new type of drone that is the latest in Bebop's lineup. This is one of the most advanced quadcopters that can be purchased by consumers, making it incredibly desirable by film enthusiasts and drone hobbyists. This new drone offers 2 batteries that allow for a total flight time of around 1 hour. There is also a brand new flight assistance system that is built in, so that flying is easier than ever. One of the biggest challenges of flying a drone is the learning curve that you must overcome in order to fly one correctly. Though, the Parrot Bebop 2 is easy to use, even by first-timers. To get started, just remove the drone from the packaging and insert one of the included batteries. The remote control should automatically pair to the drone's hardware, so you have to do nothing more than simply turn it on. You can then adjust the VR headset to fit your head shape and get ready to take off. The controller also offers support for an iPad or iPhone, so that you can see what your drone camera sees no matter how far away it may be. This makes this drone perfect for photographers and enthusiasts who need to capture captivating landscape photos or videos. Pricing is currently unavailable for these drones, but more info can be found on the Parrot website. 6. H2O Ninja Mask. H2O Ninja is a brand new type of snorkeling mask that redefines the way we may view snorkeling. This mask is currently available on Amazon, though it is sold out at the moment. This is the only mask of its kind, as it allows the user to breathe while underwater. A wide variety of these masks are currently available, and they are even produced in sizes that are appropriate for children. The H2O Ninja Mask has a built-in filter on top of the unit that filters out water and lets in fresh air so that you can breathe underwater without an oxygen tank. There are mixed reviews of these masks on Amazon, with some buyers loving them and others being unconvinced by their design. Though H2O Mask assures everyone that these masks really work, they are not a gimmick. Simply put the mask on, jump in the water, and you're good to go. The technology behind these masks is a bit uncertain, as the company hasn't shared any secrets regarding how these masks work. Though, this is truly a revelation in the world of snorkeling. 5. HoloRide. HoloRide is an experience that is completely unbelievable, though this product is very real and can be purchased by nearly anyone. This is a VR headset that can be worn inside of a vehicle if you are a passenger. The headset changes the world around you into a vivid landscape of otherworldly proportions. There are various ways to use the helmet, but the most popular is to turn the world around you into a giant video game that responds to the way your vehicle moves. This is the perfect VR helmet for children on long car rides. HoloRide offers one of the most immersive VR experiences on the market and adds a thrill to every car ride. In addition to entertaining your children, this mask also claims to reduce nausea and fatigue that can be brought on by long rides. If you have a child or a passenger that is prone to getting motion sickness, this VR helmet may help their condition be more manageable or eliminate the nausea or fatigue entirely. Pricing for these units is currently unknown, but HoloRide hopes to have their VR headsets available for purchase very soon, and we can't wait. 4. Bamboo GTR. Bamboo GTR is a brand new type of all-terrain skateboard that can take you virtually anywhere you want to go. This board is completely electric and can be used by anyone. It can travel at speeds of up to 24 miles per hour and is designed to be used on rough off-terrain or paved streets. For those of us who live in the city limits, this board would be an excellent means of transportation. It can travel up to 19 miles on a single charge and is able to tackle hills of up to 22 degrees. For any outdoor adventurer, this is a must-have. Its removable battery also means that you will never be stuck, no matter where you go. You can change out the gearing and the tire size to suit your needs by removing the drive assembly and popping on new wheels in a matter of seconds. This allows you to switch from snow to sand to mountain climbing with ease, never leaving you stranded. With a price tag of $1,699, these boards aren't affordable for everyone. However, they are in a breed of their own and are currently available for pre-order. 3. HPRT. Wireless printing has been a growing industry for many years, though the HPRT offers a new solution to wireless printing that can be stored in your purse or briefcase. This printer is a bar shape and is super small and lightweight. The device can link to any major smartphone using the supplied app. You can then import documents to the app and send them to the printer via Bluetooth. The printer will then print out your documents with lightning speed using a thermal printing technology. The printer has no ink and never requires refills or maintenance. The campaign for this product is currently underway on Indiegogo, and pre-orders are expected to be live as well, though pricing data is unclear at this time. 2. Luna. Luna is a new type of futuristic speaker that is available now on Kickstarter, though aren't sure if this device is currently shipping to backers. This is a wireless speaker that offers unsurpassed audio quality. The eye of the unit retracts into itself when the speaker is off, then pops out when it is on, protecting it from any potential damage. These speakers can be linked together in groups of up to 32 speakers using the simple built-in Bluetooth technology, meaning you can place several speakers in each room of your house for an incredible listening experience. They are currently priced at $129. 1. Fair Helmet. Fair Helmet is the world's first fully air-conditioned biking helmet. The patented technology distributes cooled air across your head, cooling you as much as 18 degrees. The helmet is DOT certified, meaning that your head will be well protected in the event of a crash. The helmet is super easy to use, just turn it on and the cooling process will begin. The helmet can be charged very easily and quickly so that you will always have access to cool helmet air. Prices start around $449, so this is definitely a premium product, but it is well worth the money.